If you're still using the best for viewer settings on YouTube end screens, you aren't just losing views, you're actively killing your sales funnel. Most creators think they're being helpful, but they're actually handing your hard-earned traffic back to the algorithm instead of keeping it for their business. I've analyzed dozens of channels where switching from YouTube's auto pick to a strategic manual end screen increased lead magnet clicks or the next best video to watch by over 40%. When you stop letting the YouTube algorithm decide where your buyer should go next, you regain control over your customer journey. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the bridge method for end screens that turns a casual viewer into a high-ticket lead before the next video even starts. Here's the problem. When you select best for viewer, YouTube looks at that person's entire YouTube watch history. If they like cat videos and your business strategy, YouTube might suggest a cat video next. You've just lost a potential buyer to a distraction. Instead, you need to hardwire the next step. If this video is about end screens, then the next video must be step 2 of the sales process. Like my video titled Stop Killing Your Watch Time, the End Screen Audit, or my live stream video titled How to Get Leads from YouTube and Make Money While You Sleep. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm already spending all my time perfecting my long-term strategy. I don't have time to manage 5 other platforms. This is where most entrepreneurs fail. They do the work once and let it die on one platform. To maximize a sales party video, you also need to be hitting people with shorts. That's why I use Nexus Clips to find the most engaging moments from my long-form videos and automatically convert them into higher retention shorts. It ensures that while your end screens are capturing leads on a desktop, your shorts are capturing leads on mobile. It takes the guesswork out of what your audience really cares about so you can feed the YouTube algorithm exactly what it wants. The real audience behavior from these shorts tells me which topic deserves a follow-up video. If the shorts clip explodes, that's not luck, it's market validation. You can then link from your shorts to your long-form video, resulting in more traffic, views, and revenue. If you're serious about growing on YouTube long-term, and not just chasing one viral hit, try Nexus Clips and let your content work harder for you. Link is in the description. Use coupon code HERMAN to get 10% off. Before I show you the exact bridge settings in YouTube Studio, I have a question for you. Are you currently using YouTube to get more views, or are you specifically trying to get more clients? Type views or clients in the comments. I'm asking because the strategy I'm about to show you only works if you have something to sell. Now the bridge method is simple but counterintuitive. Instead of letting YouTube pick a random video, you're going to manually pick one specific video for your end screen. But it can't just be any video. It must follow the intent match rule. Step 1, the content audit. Look at the video they just finished. If they're watching this video on end screens, the next logical problem isn't about how to get 1,000 subscribers. That's too broad. The next problem is how to convert that traffic. Step 2, hardwiring the link. Go to your end screen settings and select the next best video to watch. This should be a video related to the one that they've just watched. Alternatively, link to a related playlist so they can binge watch multiple videos in a row. If you want to lead them further down a sales funnel, link to a video that takes them to the next step. For example, like a link to a video on how to get leads from YouTube and make money while you sleep. Alternatively, you can redirect viewers to your lead magnet, such as downloading my YouTube retention map and outro script. Link is in the description. Step 3, the verbal call to action. Most people wait for the end screen to just pop up. Don't do that. You need to point to it. Say something like, now that your end screens are fixed, you need to actually find a way to capture those leads, which is why you need to watch this video next. Now fixing your end screens is how to stop the bleeding and keep your traffic from going back to the algorithm. But look, having a bridge is useless if you don't have a destination that actually converts those viewers into high-tech clients. This is exactly why I created the YouTube retention map and outro script pack. It includes the visual map of how to link your videos and 3 plug-and-play scripts to guarantee that click. You can download the retention map right now by clicking the first link in the description. Just click it, enter your email, and I'll send you the full audit checklist and scripts straight to your inbox. Stop killing your watch time and start building your authority.